To desire or wish for something, want to do something, want a drink, want a break. I want a drink of water. She wants to do something exciting this weekend. To need or require something. Want more, want less, want help, want attention. They want more time to finish the project. The children want help with their homework. To express a strong desire or preference. Want badly, really want, deeply want. He really wants to travel abroad next summer. She badly wants to get the promotion. To have an intention or plan. Want to see, want to go. I want to go to the beach tomorrow. He wants to see the new movie tonight. To request or demand something, want someone to do something, want something done. I want you to help me with this task. She wants the house cleaned by the evening. To express a lack or absence of something. Want for nothing, want for no reason. He wants for nothing, he has everything he needs. There's no want for no reason in her actions. To feel the desire for someone. Want someone back, want someone around. He wants her back after the breakup. I always want you around to talk to. Common collocations with want. Want to, want something, want more, want less, want help. I want to be a successful entrepreneur. He doesn't want more money, he wants happiness. She wants help organizing her schedule. We want less noise in the office.